Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Hair School. And on today's video I am going to show you guys something that you can do when you have curled your hair yesterday, you got up today, you don't want to do your hair, but your curls just aren't looking good enough to leave the way they are. So what can you do with your hair so that it looks cute, but you don't have to give up those curls, but you also don't want to wear it down again? I'm literally just going to take a scrunchie. I'm going to tie my hair into a ponytail. You don't have to use a scrunchie. You can use any type of hair tie you want. I like the scrunchie because I think it looks cute and it looks like it's an accessory to the style. And then I'm gonna pull it. So I'm gonna pull it aside and I'm gonna pull it forward. So just like that, that is going to create this cute little ponytail on top. It looks adorable for those day-old curls. If some of your curls at the front were just not wavy or curly enough, you could add just a few here. You really want to avoid reheat styling your hair as much as possible if you did it the day before, but I love this look for day 2. I know these half up ponytails are a little schoolgirl for some people, and not some people are like, ew, no way, but I think they're cute. I love it with all this volume at the front. I do kind of push everything forward, and when you pull to the side and pull forward like that, it really helps to amplify that kind of poof, early 2000s volume that you get. And I just think this is the cutest style for your day 2 curls. So I hope that helps. I hope that gives you a good idea of something fun you can try with your hair. Like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos, and follow me on TikTok and Instagram, DIY Hair School, for daily content. Thanks so much, guys.